Greetings everyone, my name is Eric and welcome back to another video. In this one we'll be taking a look at the Huion Kamvas 16 2021 model display tablet. The Kamvas 16 is a display drawing tablet, meaning it acts like a monitor that you can draw directly on. This is not a standalone tablet though, and must be connected to a computer or laptop. This is the 2021 model of the Kamvas 16, which differs from its predecessor mainly in the new design of the shortcut buttons on the side, as well as having a fully laminated screen. Before we delve too deep though, let's go over to an unboxing. The design of the tablet itself is lovely, as I've come to expect from Huion. The pen feels great in the hand, and the pressure sensitivity is super responsive, coming in at 8192 levels. Honestly, there's not a ton to say about the tablet in general, as it's basically just a slightly upgraded version of the previous model aesthetically and in the laminated screen. My only complaint about these 16-inch tablet models really is for some reason, none of them come with the VESA mount holes on the back, which is a real shame as this would be really nice to have mounted on a monitor arm. Connecting to the computer is super easy with the included 3-in-1 cable. It also supports USB-C connection if your computer has that, but you still need to power it with the wall connector. Also, it says it supports Android connection, but unfortunately my phone is too old for that and doesn't play well, so I wasn't able to test that function myself. For the stand, I've never been a much fan of these ones. They work fine, but I much prefer the versions that have the little latch you pull to adjust the angle with far more options. I personally used a tablet stand from Parblo in this video. This is even more reason to have a VESA mount option, as you can buy the actual back part of the tablet stand separately. Now, I didn't do any of those ruler tests, as there are plenty of others who have, and honestly, that test has become mostly mute to me with Huion and XP Pen, as I have never had issues with the latest model tablets. Instead, I just jump right over to drawing. Honestly, reviewing these tablets is becoming much harder, as I feel like their quality is always amazing, and most of the time they just make some small cosmetic tweaks here and there, maybe a few driver updates, which is good. Though I do wish to get my hands on one of those 2K or 4K models, just to see if that extra resolution has any effect on the actual drawing experience. If you would like to pick this tablet up for yourself, head on over to the link in the description for an Amazon affiliate link. You get a great tablet, I get a little kickback. The tablet is around $400, sometimes going under, depending on Prime deals. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, as well as hitting the subscribe and notification buttons to keep up to date on my videos. Let me know what you think of this tablet. And if you tried it yourself, by writing a comment below. While down there in the description are many other ways to support me, including my Skillshare classes, as well as Patreon, where if you donate in Patreon, you can have your name in the back of my videos all the time. Hope you all have a great time drawing, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.